the Real Estate You podcast with Lettiann.
Welcome back to our podcast, Real Estate You with Lettiann. This time with a twist in the kitchen, season 5. And today I welcome Trish Morin. Trish, thank you so much for being here today.
Oh, I'm happy to be here.
We're going to get very happy because Trish is going to show us how to make limoncello from start to finish. We've got the whole sequence here. But I do want to introduce Trish and tell you a little bit about her. She is a licensed real estate professional in our office here in the Kansas City metro area. Tell us, why did you get a real estate license and when?
I got my license, 2-3 years ago. I was with corporate America and we decided to part ways. And so I went in with a friend of mine to start flipping houses, and that didn't go so well. So
What didn't go well about it?
well, it was hard to find good contractors.
Okay, everyone always needs a good contractor in their pocket, they say. So good. So that was not such a good experience. And what happened next?
Yeah, so we had big plans, and I was going to be the real estate lady, and she was going to be the construction manager. And then, like I say, that didn't work out, and so we kind of parted ways. And I've kept my license up the last couple of years, and then I got introduced to you through our friend Lori Bradshaw, and here I am. So I've been I'm excited to put my skills to use from corporate America, my real estate license with a bang-up broker here.
Thank you. I appreciate it. We're so delighted to have you at our office, Trish. So let's get started with the limoncello. I know it's a process. So tell us what you do first.
Okay.
If someone wanted to make limoncello.
Well, if you didn't bring your lemons back from Arizona and you bought them at Costco, like I did.
But she did bring some back just a few months ago. So she did. We do have a batch that's ready to go with like wickedly fresh lemons from the tree. Very cool.
Yes.
So what's the first step?
So the first step, since these did not come directly off the tree, they have wax on them. So what we need to do is take the wax off. And how we do that is we pour some boiling water over the lemon. Ooh, and then we flip it.
Is that getting the wax like the beginning of like melting it?
Yep.
Okay.
It's melting.
Can you do this with like cucumbers and oranges and all that?
Now that I don't know.
Okay.
So,
It seems like you maybe could.
So that hot water is melting the wax. And then you just wipe it off.
So the wax is not. You need to get all of that off.
Yes.
To make this actually
Yes.
work. So you don't want to invest the time and the money and skip this step.
No,
Okay.
you do not want to skip
All right,
it.
good.
So, and then you peel them, and I have already peeled. The recipe calls for 10 lemons, and I've already.
Looks like big peels too.
Yes, so I've peeled 9.
So
and
vegetable peeler. Okay.
I'm gonna peel this one here, right? And you kind of got to get the hang of it.
Almost like a spiral thing going on. I'll finish that, and you can go ahead and give us our next step.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay. So she'll peel those, and then when they're all peeled, we go ahead and put them in the this jar here.
You don't really want the pith. Is
No,
that right?
no pith.
Okay.
Correct. No pith.
So not the white, just the yellow.
Yep, just
Gotcha.
the yellow.
Oh, it smells so good.
Doesn't it smell good?
Yes.
So it's 10 lemons per 1 bottle of Everclear. And
Okay.
it's not vodka, it's Everclear.
Okay, why is that? Do you know? I don't know. Do you happen to know?
To be honest, I don't. But
Okay, might be something we look into, but I always thought it was vodka, but good to know it's Everclear.
So we just pour the Everclear in here.
Everclear, not just for kids anymore. Don't drink it, kids.
So like I say, 10 lemon rinds.
Okay, 10 rinds, good.
Yep.
And one 750 milliliter of that.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. So then after you do this, you actually let this sit for 4 weeks.
So we have a lid probably for it somewhere, but good. So this is your first step, and then this goes in a where?
Just put it in a cool, dark place.
Okay.
In your
For
basement,
how
in a
many-
closet.
how many-
4 weeks.
Okay, so 1 month. This is going in my basement. All right, thanks, Trish. See ya.
So 4 weeks ago, when I came back from Arizona, I brought
Oh, beautiful! Wow.
lemons back.
Oh my! But this looks like more than 10.
Yes, so that was the quadruple batch to do all the lemons.
Oh, right. So probably, what, how many bottles of Everclear?
This was 2 of the big ones. So
2 of the big ones, and you probably did then 40 lemons? Okay, just to give you the why behind that. The lemon peel does not expand. All right, nor does the Everclear. All right.
So this is, like I said, this has been sitting for about 4 weeks. And that what we do is we pour.
Can I help you in any way? You want me to hold this maybe?
Yes, okay. Pour this out. There's a strainer in here.
Gotcha.
This is so much that we. Okay. So we need 750 milliliters
Okay.
of the lemon juice. So let's see here. You gonna watch that?
Yep, I'll watch it for you.
750. Now you won't need to measure with just a single batch, but since we did it double.
You might be spot on, girl. Keep going.
A little bit more?
Yep, more, boom, right there.
Okay, I'm gonna pour this back in here.
Okay.
We're gonna make more later.
So you already calculated this out. That's why you're saying the 750 milliliters, and I'm just simply looking at this right here.
Right.
Okay, so
right.
I'll move that for you.
Okay, actually I need that back.
Okay, you need
So
that
then,
back?
yep, so
Gotcha.
once we measure it's 750 milliliters, and we pour it back in, and we mix it with simple syrup. So simple syrup is basically 2 cups of sugar and 3 cups of water. And bring that to a boil, and then you must let it cool.
Okay, which I think, have we done that? That's,
Yes,
that's good
that
and
is
cool.
cool.
Great.
So then we're gonna add it together.
While Trish is combining the simple syrup with the diffused lemon rinds, I'll tell you that you can catch all of our recipes from season 5 on our website. You can download them at Lettiann.com, Lettiann.com/season 5 recipes. So go there and take a look at all of the recipes from season 5, including the limoncello.
So we're mixing this up.
I'll grab these vessels over here. These bottles are so pretty. These would make great gifts, would they not?
Yes.
Even realtor gifts or any kind of gift.
This is I think there's this is the medium-sized bottle. There's a bigger one. I just ordered some ones that are half the size. So if you want to share.
And where did you get these?
Amazon.
Okay.
Amazon.com. They've got these little, I'll show you one. You can just get
Yeah,
these
very
little
cool.
cork things. So my measuring cup, okay. Because since it has a spout, so basically, let's put this in here. And we got these little teeny tiny funnels.
Love it. I'm gonna see if I've got some antique funnels.
Oh, there you go.
Those were my great grandparents. I'm sure they were handmade. So I'll help you out with that. Maybe we can just get one filled, and then
Sure.
and I see that you brought a couple of glasses, so I can't wait to try it. But this isn't ready, is it?
No, not
Okay.
Technically, no.
The glasses are cute. I was hoping to try it.
Well,
but
we can try it. but
okay, good.
just-
Good. It's not completely done though at
No.
this stage.
Right, right.
Okay.
So then we would fill the other ones.
Gotcha.
And then these cute little caps. There's little holes in these bottles, so you put the,
Oh, very cool.
yeah,
I'll help you with that.
okay.
This is very fancy.
Yes.
I hope I don't break the bottle in the meantime.
I don't think so.
Awesome.
That's awesome.
Okay,
Yeah.
airtight for sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So what we like to do is put this in the freezer for another 2
So
to 3.
freezer, not cool, dark basement
Yes.
closet.
Yes.
Just
yeah, they're in the freezer. So as a matter of fact, the longer you leave it in the freezer, the better it's going to taste.
okay.
So I made some last year when I got back from Arizona, and then I had the last bottle in January for my birthday, and it was really good and really smooth.
Oh,
so
wonderful.
The longer it sits. the better.
So if we were, this is what you would serve them in an aperitif glass?
Yes, it's very strong because the Everclear is 190 proof.
Saw that.
Yes, so I just...
So straight out of the freezer, ice cold, pours just so crisp and fresh.
Right, more like a little after dinner drink.
Yeah.
So if you want, we can
Let's
try
do it.
some.
Bring it on.
It's going to be strong because
Okay, maybe just a taste. So,
Okay, just a
thank
taste.
You.
And
so
it's not cold, but...
We don't waste any.
Right. So...
Salud.
Salud.
Salud. Thank
Here's
you.
the real estate.
Shedang.
Can you imagine if that was frozen? I mean,
Yeah.
cold.
Ooh, that's bold and beautiful.
Yes.
That's bold and beautiful.
So,
we'll come back in a month and we'll try that.
Yeah.
But any parting ways before we wrap this episode about your experience as a real estate professional, or I know you really love working with buyers and sellers, and their life is important to you. So as I told you before, I appreciate that. But is there anything you want to tell anyone about whether they might be getting a license or what the business is about?
Yeah, I mean, I really enjoy it because I'm applying my corporate America skills, but I've gotten rid of corporate America and I don't have a boss. It's my own little business with a great coach and a great mentor and helping people with the most important purchase of their life. And people are so appreciative because it's a very competitive market right now, and it's very rewarding and very fulfilling having a great boss. And no, you're not my boss.
No.
You're a mentor and coach.
I'm just
to help me through it all, because you go to real estate school and you learn all that stuff, but there's so much to know after that. And so I'm excited for my future and our future together.
Yeah, me too, Trish. Thank you so much. And if you're considering getting a license, or perhaps you have a license and looking for more direction, please visit our website, Lettiann.com, and go to the training tab. And there you'll see our real estate training success program. We welcome you to take a look at that as well. And if you have any questions about this episode, please email me. And if you'd like to connect with Trish, or you have a question about the limoncello process or anything about our podcast, please email us at realestateyou with Lettiann at Lettiann.com. Thank you so much for watching today. Let's see you in a month when this is ice cold out of the freezer and ready to go.
Salud.
Salud. Salud.
The Real Estate You podcast with Lettiann.